Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys we are going to go and be talking about enabling tap to like on Threads. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing we want to do is open up the Threads application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is open up the App Store on your mobile phone, search for the Threads application and download it. So once you have opened it up, logged into your account that you are using with Threads, it's going to look like this. So this is going to be our main page of the application where we can get started browsing all the threads that are being made by people, we can follow people and so on. And now we can get started enabling the like button. Basically guys, as you can see, to be able to like a thread, it's very easy. You're just going to click this heart icon right here. But how do we enable double tap to like? Let's say we want to double tap on the picture or the thread itself to like. Well, basically guys, that option is not implemented. You do not have that option implemented yet into the Threads application. It's only available on Instagram. So if you're scrolling on Instagram and you want to like something, you can double tap on it, but in the Threads application it is still currently not implemented and there is no other option except to only click this like button using the heart icon. So this is what you can do. Currently it's still not implemented. If they're going to implement it in the near future, we do not know. You can send an email to ask their support team and to tell them you wanted that feature implemented, but for now you cannot do so and you can only go ahead and like the threads using the normal button as you can see right here, and that's how you can do it. So basically guys, that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.